your presentation was very interesting today. The drone technology is quite new to the maritime sector. Describe how do you see the future of your product, being the drone product, in the maritime sector?
Well, thank you for the question. When we were designing this, I mean, maritime was not really foremost in our minds. We were thinking basically remote locations in United Nations missions, which is what our first customer. This came about, a focus on the maritime industry, thanks to one of our contractors, who actually is a logistics contractor, and he saw the opportunities in the first place for the small weights, like small weights up to 20 kilograms weight, for ship to shore. Transfers of documents and samples and etc. And then from then on, this is when we started visualizing the possibilities of this particular industry, and this is where we want to be disrupting this industry. Yes.
But you described carrying weights of up to 1,200 kilos. Now that's a lot for a drone in my book, and that would basically mean that the role of the helicopters or launches to take these kind of ship chandlers and various foodstuffs and stuff like that out to the ships can be replaced by a drone directly from the ship chandler to the ship.
In theory, yes. 1,200 may be too generous for that, depending on the circumstances. This drone was actually originally thought for firefighting. Okay, and with the advantage that a drone without a pilot, it can fly 24/7, day and night. It can drop fire retardant, or for example, with an oil spill, it can actually operate at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning without any problems. You're not risking anyone's lives. And well, at some stage it will replace certain freight, but of course not everything. I mean, you cannot take 20 tons, for example. I mean, no. It's a lot of trip. But yes, it will. It's not going to replace everything, but it's going to be complementary to what's going on at the moment. And in terms of the engine, of course, we're getting this because we're using gasoline with gasoline and biogasoline. But of course, the engines will adapt themselves to new fuels as the time goes by.
Other than your own presentation of today, what is your takeaway or key takeaway from today's session?
Look, I'm new to this industry. I will be in Dubai as from January next year. I will certainly be here. This is my first time here, and I will be back because I can see a lot of scope for us.
We welcome you to Dubai when time comes, and we welcome you back next year.
Thank you very much. Pleasure.